Sons and Daughters of God, Daily Devotional by Ellen G. White. The Better Inheritance, June 30th. We choose the best in life, an inheritance incorruptible and undefiled, and that fadeth not away, reserved in heaven for you. 1 Peter chapter 1, verse 4. Our petitions to God should not proceed from hearts that are filled with selfish aspirations. God exhorts us to choose those gifts that will redound to His glory. He would have us choose the heavenly instead of the earthly. He throws open before us the possibilities and advantages of a heavenly commerce. He gives encouragement to our loftiest aims, security to our choicest treasure. When the worldly possessions is swept away, the believer will rejoice in his heavenly treasure, the riches that cannot be lost in any earthly disaster. How sad it is that men turn from the immortal inheritance and live for the gratification of pride and selfishness and display, and through submission to the rules of Satan, lose the blessings which they might have both in this life and in the life to come. They might enter into the palaces of heaven and associate on terms of freedom and equality with Christ and heavenly angels and with the princes of God. Yet, incredible as it may seem, they turn from heavenly attractions. Satan is contending for the souls of men. He would not have them catch a glimpse of the future honor, the eternal glories laid up for those who shall be inheritants of heaven, or have a taste of the experience that gives a foretaste of the happiness of heaven. Those who accept Christ as their Savior have the promise of the life that now is, and that is to come. The lowliest disciple of Christ may become an inheritant of heaven, an heir of God, an inheritance incorruptible that fadeth not away. Oh, that everyone might make choice of the heavenly gift, become an heir of God to that inheritance whose title is secure from any disaster, world without end. Oh, choose not the world. This is your daily devotion. We thank you for listening. We hope that you can join us again tomorrow. Please also check YouTube comments for any further study notes. Sons and Daughters of God.